Alright guys, welcome back to part 2 of drawing the eye. Now before we start, please like the video, subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss these videos. I'm going to be uploading every day, at least. I'm going to try and upload every day. So yeah, let's get into the video. So we're continuing from where we left off yesterday, and I'm just continuing with the shadow area where I was shading yesterday. This part is also going to be really dark, but like I always say, don't go dark straight ahead, just build up the tones and all that. So that's what you see me doing, and I'm using the paintbrush here because I want a softer look. I want a smooth and softer look, and the paintbrush does that better than the Q-tip for me. So that's why I'm using the paintbrush. But where I want more like a little bit of a rougher texture, I use the Q-tip. So yeah, and like I said, if your charcoal powder can't go dark enough, you can always use your charcoal pencil like I'm doing right now, and then blend everything together with a Q-tip or the paintbrush. So we're going to be blending from dark to the lighter part of the skin. So I'm just going to show you guys are going to see how I do that, how I transition from a dark, like a shadow area, into like a light part of the skin without it looking fake, without you seeing the sharp transitions. So everything is going to look smooth, and the way I do that is I blend from the dark, I shade from the dark area into the light area, and as I go into the light area, I release the pressure of my pencil or my paintbrush or my whatever I'm using, So that's what you see me doing right now. I'm building the tones with the lighter area here, and then I'm going to go back into the dark area and then pull those tones out into the lighter area, if that makes sense. But you guys will see that in a second. So you can see we still have that sharp, straight transition, and now you see what I'm doing. I am blending from the dark area into the lighter area just to get rid of that sharp line we had before, and now you see how it's blended in evenly and smoothly. So now we have that smooth transition from the dark area into the lighter area without it looking fake, without you seeing that sharp line I was talking about. So going in with my charcoal pencil again, just trying to correct some tonal values and all that. So now you can see the eye starting to pick up some form, and it's starting to look really nice. And now you can see how much the white of the eye doesn't look as dark as it did before in the beginning. This is what I was talking about, because the whites of the eye normally they look lighter than they actually are to the naked eye. But after drawing for a while, you get that experience, and you know how dark they should go, how dark they actually are, and all that. So I'm going here with my kneaded eraser and my electric eraser just to bring out some of those highlights around the eyelashes, those little details around the eyelashes, and just to give it that reflection, to look like there's a light actually bouncing off his skin. So all these things I'm saying, building up the tones from light to dark, and then using your pencils if you need to go darker. All these principles are the same principles we're going to be using throughout the whole drawing. This is how I work, and you can add this to your technique. You can pick some ideas from what I do and add it to yours. You don't have to follow exactly what I do. I'm just here to show you guys how I work, and if that helps you, that's fine. If you want to use the same techniques as me, that's fine, but you don't have to. You can also take some things from here and add it to your own style and your own way of shading. You don't have to shade in boxes like I do and all that. So now you can see I'm using that same principle of blending from the darker area into the lighter area, just to blend and create that smooth transition from a darker area of the skin into the lighter area of the skin with the paintbrush. That's what you can see me doing right now. So like I said, the principles are all the same. You just have to be patient. You just have to be you just have to be patient and practice a lot, and it starts to come to you naturally as you practice. You know what you're supposed to do and how dark you're supposed to go, how much pressure you're supposed to use, so just keep working and see what works for you, see what you're most comfortable with, and then stick to it. So I'm going to let the rest of the video run out, because it's the same things I'm going to be doing throughout the remainder of the eye, so you guys can see. But before I go, like I was saying, if you want the real-time videos, you can get those on my Patreon. So that's for $3 a month. My Patreon, the link will be in the description. These are sped up videos, these are time-lapse videos, but if you want the real-time videos, you can get those on my Patreon. And also like the video, subscribe, and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any videos. Also follow my social media, my Instagram, my Twitter, my Facebook, my TikTok. I'll leave all the links in the description as well. So thank you guys for watching, and enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you guys for part 3 of finishing the eye. And that was like the eyebrows and all that. So I'll see you guys in part 3. Take care.